Hi guys, I'm Rojalie Palmes and now I'm going to show you on how to make a roof using AutoCAD. And let's get started. Now click the icon of AutoCAD 2018 and then just wait and smile. And then if AutoCAD 2018 open, a few moments, wait. Just wait. Now it opened and click the plus sign and it means new drawing and refresh or just click on the workplace and click the menu browser, save as and locate its own location. Create a new folder and rename it based on its specification or based on its purpose. Yeah, just like that. And if it's done, save it. Yeah. Then create a new layer. Type LA for new layer. Yeah. And create a new layer. Name it roof. Change its color into red. And choose 13mm and click line type and change it into continuous. And you may create an object. Yeah, that's right. And then create REC, enter. Create a rectangle and zoom it. Create type circle C for shortcut and type its radius 0.05 and click circle. Move it from its own position and CO, enter for copy. And make another copy for consuming the time, for lessen the time. Just here, click here, and so I make it faster. So don't take it long. Copy, and copy. More copy to lessen the time. And now, move it and join it and change the viewport to SW isometric. And check the view if there's an error, and check if and join it and click all of the object and the object. Click the object and type EXTRUDE extrude for its extrusion. And type its length or its length. Type 5. And change the position of the roof. And choose the green or red or blue for its rotation to make it more realistic and its view. And then rotate the object. Yeah, and you will see the texture of a roof. Now, change it into realistic. We change it into realistic to figure out the holistic view of this room. And save. And close the window, and thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you learned a lot from this video. Thank you guys. Bye. Thanks guys. Bye.